I'm going to guide you on how to upload and to share access photos on Google Drive. Now, if you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, in order to upload photo to your Google Drive, you are going to launch your Google Drive app. Then you are going to log in into your Google Drive using your Google account. As you can see at the top right corner there, you are going to see your Google account. So you need to log in into your Google account first. Then once you are logged in, it will bring you to this interface. So you are going to see that plus icon at the bottom right corner there. Just tap on it. Then tap on upload. Then it will land you here. So you are going to choose the location where your photo is, the one that you want to upload. So if it is in your gallery, you are going to tap on gallery. Then you will scroll and select the photo that you want to upload. So I'm going to select on this, then tap on done. Then under location, you are going to select the destination of your file, where you want your file to be uploaded to. Then under accounts, you are going to choose the account where you want to upload your photo. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. Then once you have confirmed that, tap on upload. Then as you can see, the photo has been uploaded. So in order to share access, you just need to tap on the image. Then tap on those three dots on your top right corner. Then you are going to see share. So just tap on it. Then you can enter the email of the person that you want to share with. So I'm just going to write the email of the person. Then once you have entered that, you are just going to tap on the send button at the top there. Then the image will be shared to that person. So that's simply it, guys. That's how to upload photo to Google Drive and to share access of the photo. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice time.